Welcome guys. In this session, we are going to learn about the console objects in JavaScript. So what it means, it provides access to the browser's debugging console. We all developers use the console to see our result or whatever message we print. So let's start that. There are some useful functions which really helps to us in our programming. So first of all, open any your favorite code editor. Here I am using Visual Studio Code and create one HTML file. Then just run this file by pressing Ctrl Shift D, which I have already told in my previous video that how to run the HTML file using Visual Studio Code in browser. So you can watch that video, which link I will give in my description box. So just run this application. I have already run. So when we will start from login function. So what it does, console.log just simply print our result or any message, means whatever we want to see we can write in the console.log. So when I will run this application and refresh, we will find by in console by opening the console, pressing F12. So you will find that hello world will be printed over here. So this is our first method, console.log. Same method is also there, that is console.debug. It is same like log. So we will find the message using debug, console.debug. So our next function is like info. There are three more methods which are also same like console.log, which are used to display the message but in different manner. Like we want to show some information, then we can use console.info. So when I will print console.info, then if I will write info message, then just refresh your browser and you will find that info message over here, simply like console.info. And another one is that warning, to show the warning message, console.warn. If you will write that look out, then see the output. If you will refresh, then you will see the warning message. So you can simply print this type of message using console.com. Another one is that if you want to show the error message, then you just write console.error, which will display the error in your console. Whatever error message you want to display, that something went wrong, and you will find by refreshing the browser that something went wrong message over here. So these all are, you can say, the logging methods. So our output should stack trace to the console. Like here I have one example. Here I have one function hello, and I am passing the name as a test. Then console.trace, I want to print this name and return another function, which this function will return my output. So when I will refresh my browser, then I will find name test and this method returns. So this is the simply trace method. Our next method is for testing purpose. Suppose we have any condition and we want to check that this condition is true or false. So we will see the assert function. So testing, suppose if I will check console.log, suppose here I have one condition like 1 equal to 1 and want to print some message like this is wrong, and if I will refresh my browser, then it will return true, means this condition is true. Or if I will check like 1 equal to 2, means we all know that 1 never equals to 2. So what it will return? It will return false. So this is about testing function. Our next function is clearing. For clearing, suppose we have some unwanted error message in our console and we want to clear these messages, so we can simply use the console.clear. So for clearing the console, we just simply use console.clear and it will remove all the errors. See, the console was clear. Suppose you are calling some services or any APIs, then it returns unwanted messages that you want. You would not want these messages, so you can simply call the console.clear after the successfully load your process. So it will clear all your console messages or error messages. So this is all about console.clear. Our next method is console.dir. What it does, this function is very helpful, guys. It prints out objects in a nice formatted way. Means whatever output we want to see, we can use the console.dir. Suppose I have one label over here. See, this is my label, and if I want to see about this DOM element, then I will use the dir. DOM elements detail. So I will return console. First of all, I will get that label. So where label equal to document dot query selector, and I will pass the label. I have the label, so I want to show this information. So what I will do now, I want to see the information about this DOM element. So I will just write console.dir and label over here. So what it will print, see the output. It will return the label and all the information of your label, and you will find your label text. See, in the text hello test, you will find over here. So this is console.dir. Now if you want to count the object's value, so you can use the counting function. So for counting, you can use console.count and write your message like I have a message like testing, and just repeat this. For the general purpose, we are looking for this counting function. When you will refresh your browser, then you will find the count over here. That this message have these counts, means 6 messages we have. So this is counting function, and our another function is grouping. If we want to divide our messages in groups, that we want to see some messages in a group, so we can use the group function. First of all, what we will do, suppose we want to divide our colors, so we are defining our one variable like colors. So these 2 messages will show under the colors, and next we are creating another group, that is hex. So hex value will display under this group, and our group will end over here, and then we are just simply showing one another message and group end. So let's just see this output. Console grouping, then I'm just pasting over here. Then guys, just see the output. See, colors, we have colors, then 2 value over here, red and orange, and hex group. In the hex group, we have another 2 messages like this and this, and our group end over here, and another message we are printing blue, which is showing downside. So this is about grouping. Our next function is table. So what table does, suppose we have an array where array equal to, suppose I have the value over here like name paste and subject xyz. Suppose if I will print this array in log, then first you will see that what how it will return. Means it will show the your array but not in the formatted way. Suppose you want to show your message, you want to see your message in a well formatted way, then you can use the table, which is very helpful for us, like console dot table. Then just write this array and just comment on the first one. Then you will see the result. You can differentiate your result that it is in a tabular format, which looks very nicely. So this is all about our console objects method. So if this video is helpful for you, then please like and subscribe my channel.